And welcome back. Various hurricane forecasts pointed toward a near normal, if not quieter than normal, hurricane season initially. But Nick Bannon is here with us because some of those forecasts are actually being revised now.
Yeah, that's right. Just this week, Colorado State University, which issued their first forecast originally in April, calling for a quieter than normal hurricane season in the Atlantic. Well, they've adjusted that forecast now, and they now believe we'll be in for a busier season. Tropical systems need several ingredients to develop. They need water temperatures above 80 degrees, converging winds that force air upwards, as well as abundant moisture. These three ingredients you need, but there's actually a fourth ingredient that you need as well, and that is upper level winds blowing in roughly the same direction. And when those steering winds are blowing in the same direction, that's called a lack of wind shear. However, El Niño, which as you probably know by now is well underway, characterized by that warmer than normal water in the eastern Pacific, El Niño typically adds wind shear in the Atlantic, which usually reduces hurricane development. But researchers at CSU now think that the unusually and in some places record warm water in the Atlantic Ocean may actually help to overcome the mitigating factors of that wind shear caused by El Niño. And that, therefore, they think will lead to more tropical activity this year. Now, we've already had 3 named storms and 1 unnamed subtropical storm in the Atlantic this year. This is CSU, Colorado State University's new forecast for 18 named storms in 2023 in the Atlantic compared to an average of 14. So busier than average for named storms. They're forecasting 9 hurricanes, 7 would be normal, and 4 major hurricanes of category 3 strength or higher compared to an average there of 3. Now on KXAN.com right now, we've got a blog about the revised Atlantic hurricane forecast, including the probabilities of a U.S. landfalling major hurricane hitting the Gulf of Mexico. That's on KXAN.com right now.